Jurors must be indifferent, so they cannot have an interest in the case that they're hearing. They can't know the attorneys, they cannot know the parties, they can't have any biases or any preformed ideas about the case that they're going to hear. And the way to make sure that a juror is indifferent is through a process called voir dire. Now, what will happen is prospective jurors will be ordered to the courthouse for jury duty. There will be a jury pool, and a portion of the jury pool will be brought into the courtroom. Now, prior to this, they'll fill out a questionnaire with demographic questions on it. And the purpose of the questions are to give the judge and the lawyers a sense of whether or not there might be some reason to question the juror's indifference towards the case. Now, a judge has a lot of discretion on how he's going to conduct voir dire, but most likely the judge will pose general questions to a large group of prospective jurors. And if one of those jurors answers in a way that might suggest that the juror has an interest in the case, the juror will be called to the sidebar. In other words, called up to the judge's bench. And the juror will speak with the judge and will speak with the attorneys. And they can ask follow-up questions to find out if the juror should be eliminated. So in other words, let's say the judge read out a list of witnesses and one of the prospective jurors knew of one of the witnesses. The juror would be called sidebar, and there would be follow-up questions to see how well this juror knew this possible witness. So if there is reason for dismissing the juror will be dismissed. If not, the juror will be eligible and could sit on the jury. So I've written a blog post on this, and I'll put it in the description below.